How to log in to AOL Mail. So if you want to log into your AOL Mail, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for AOL Mail Login. And once you've searched, you can go for the first search or the second search, which is AOL Sign In. And then you need to enter your username. So if you want to log in using your username, then enter your username on the first blank. And then you can click on Next. And once you enter your username, it will take you to the next step, which is enter your password. So you need to enter your password on the next blank, but if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgotten password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password and then you can click on next. And once you click on next, if your information is correct, then it will log you into your account. And once you've logged into your AOL, you can go for mail, which will be on the upper right, and it will take you to the AOL Mail. So that's it. That's how you log into your AOL Mail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.